namanje ngisamile kuloko ukuthi wonke umuntu okufika ola kwaZulu Natal ongenawo amaphepha okuba lapha kwaZulu Natal akabuyele ezweni lakhe. Nalaba abanayo ipaza shop belapha ngongekho emthethweni ngithi abahambe babuyele ezweni labo. Ipaza shop ibuyele kubantu balapha kwaZulu Natal.
Let's speak to the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Thami Ntuli, who joins us now to reflect on that. Good evening to you, Premier, and thank you for your time. If I'm not mistaken, you are also the Executive Authority for Community Safety. So over and above your responsibilities as the first citizen of the province, but also directly charged with the political oversight of the work to ensure that citizens are safer in KwaZulu-Natal. So on that basis, then, let me ask you to give me your reflections of the events of the last 2 days in the Durban CBD. Is it merely civic action and protest movement against undocumented migrants and illegal migration, or is there something more to it that perhaps concerns you?
Well, good evening, Thula Sizwe and the viewers at home, and thank you for having me. I just received the report today, and someone also shared some videos at night yesterday, and I've instructed the Department of Community Safety and Liaising to gather more information from the police, because when I look at the videos, police were also present. But I at the same time wish to call for calm to our people in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, and to also call for calm even to those foreign nationals, that the confrontation is not necessary, because the law is clear. When you want to be in KwaZulu-Natal or to be in South Africa, you must have papers. If you don't have papers, you must apply for the papers. If you don't do one of the two, you will have to be in your country. As for South Africans, when they go to countries, they will have to get papers. But encouraging the people of KwaZulu-Natal to ensure that when we handle this matter, we handle it with sensitivity. We should not be seen as being against our African brothers. We must write a statement which is clear that the problem is with regard to the undocumented foreign nationals. And we are working with the civic organizations. We had a round table, even Marsh and Marsh was also present, and other civic organizations were also present, including Home Affairs, police, and many other sectors, because we were saying this problem requires that we confront it together, but ensuring that citizens are safe when it is being addressed, and even our African brothers are also safe when it is being addressed. We have even ourselves as government have been hitting operations with different sectors, including police and Home Affairs, in businesses, and also in places where they are found. And even on coming Friday and Saturday, I will be leading operations. But that is not enough. Hence, the President of the Republic, during the State of the Nation address, he was categorical to pronounce that all employers who are found employing undocumented foreign nationals must be arrested. And I've repeated that in the SOPA, and I further made a call that even those who are landlords, who are giving them businesses to rent, or who are giving them cottages to rent, if they are undocumented foreign nationals, they must also face the law.